Jagran Public School, Noida. Hello kids, welcome to the computer class. Children, I hope you all must be happy and healthy, right? So today we'll learn about the Tux Paint in this video. We will revise the whole chapter in this video, okay? Children, now we will do back exercise of this chapter. This is page number 71 and today we'll do the statements are correct or not. Now we will do the statements. You have to tell me whether these statements are correct or not. First one is the text tool can be used for drawing pictures. Is it true? No, it's not correct. So put cross in front of this sentence. Now the second one is the eraser tool can be used to rub the drawings. Right. This statement is correct. Now the third one is only two shapes can be drawn with the shapes tool. Is it correct? No, it's incorrect. So put cross in front of this sentence because you can draw many shapes using this shapes tool. Now the fourth one is you can draw with different colors using the paint tool. Yes, this statement is correct. Now the fifth one is the paint tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. No, this statement is incorrect. You cannot use paint tool like a sticker or rubber stamp because you can draw with the help of this paint tool. Now look at the first sentence. The dash tool is used to draw straight lines. You will write line over here. The line tool is used to draw straight lines. Second one is dash is the place where you can draw and color. So drawing canvas is the place where you can draw and color. Now the third one is the dash tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. You have to write stamp over here. Now the fourth one is you can click on the dash button to close the Tux Paint window. Write quit button over here. Now the fifth one is you can use the dash tool to type message in the drawing canvas. So write here text. Now come to the C part. Answer the following questions. So first question is, what is the use of the shapes tool? You have to give the answer. The shapes tool is used to draw shapes such as a circle, a triangle, etc. Question number 2 is, write the names of any 5 shapes present in the shapes tool. So you can write any shapes present in the shapes tool, but I have written here square, circle, triangle, rectangle, rhombus. Question number 3 is, how can you place different objects such as guitar and house in the drawing canvas? So you can use sticker tool over here. Okay. So children, now you have done the back exercise of this chapter. Now we'll revise this chapter using all these tools. I'll explain the tools mentioned over here. Okay, mentioned in this chapter. As you can see this icon, the screen is showing paint tool. So when you click on the paint tool, this type of screen will appear. On the left side, tools will appear, and on the right side of the screen, you can see magic written over here, right? So you can draw any kind of pictures using this paint tool. Okay? Now see the screen. This is eraser tool. So if you have done something wrong, so you want to erase a particular thing from the screen, then you can use this eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to rub any part of the drawing. Now see this lines tool. As mentioned over here, lines. So lines tool is used to draw straight lines of various shapes. Shapes tool. When you click on the shapes tool, this kind of screen will appear on the Tux Paint. Okay. On the left side, tools will appear, and on the right side, shapes will appear. So you can draw filled or unfilled shapes using this tool, such as a square, rectangle, circle, ellipse, triangle, pentagon, rhombus, octagon, and so on. Okay. Now the text tool. As you can see, something is written on the screen. So when we talk about the written material, that is called text. Okay. So the text tool and the label tool are used to type messages in the drawing canvas. Like if you have drawn anything, any kind of picture, and if you want to write something on that drawing canvas, then you use text tool. Wow, magic tool. Like the name magic over here, this tool will work like magic. Okay, so there are so many magic over here. You can draw flowers, you can draw grass, you can draw wall, you can draw form, clouds, raindrops, so many things. Okay, so the magic tool is a set of many special tools with different effects. Now the stamp tool. When you use stamp tool, you can't draw the pictures, but you can click on any stamp and it will appear on the drawing canvas. So there are so many stamps present in the stamp area. So the stamp tool works like a sticker or a rubber stamp. New button. New button is used to make a new picture. Like when you have finished any kind of drawing and if you want to draw something new, So you want to get a new screen. So then press on the new button, the new screen will appear. Save button. If you want to save your picture, then you have to click on the save button. Okay, save tool, and you can see two options will appear. Yes, replace the odd one, or no, save a new file. So you will click on the new file. Open button. The open button is used to open an existing drawing. Means you have saved so many drawings, okay, and if you want to see the particular drawing, then you can open it by using open button. Now when you finish your drawing and you have finished your whole work in the text paint, then you can click on the quit button. It is used to close tux paint. You can see two options over here. Yes, I'm done. No, take me back. If you have finished your work, then click on the option yes, I'm done. And if you have something left, then you can click on no, take me back. So you want to quit, then you have to click on the option yes, I am done. So children, today we have revised the whole chapter, whole tools. So get ready for your assessment and prepare your chapter very carefully. Okay children, bye bye. Take care of yourself.